Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. At the top we've got the system navigation option, so let's tap, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So obviously right now we've got the buttons, and before we will set the gestures and before I will explain them, just a quick disclaimer about the buttons. So if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, here you can customize it, so you can reorder the back button and the recents, which is more you can decide whether you want to use it, whether you want to use the home button to wake the Google Assistant. It's up to you. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, we have to first of all tap on this animation right here, and your device will ask you if you want to learn the gestures. So you will be able to go through the tutorial and learn them. However, I don't want to do it because I already know how they work, so I will also explain them to you. What is more, here we've got some options connected with the gestures. We can hide the gesture guide bar because, as you can see, instead of the three buttons we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. However, I'd like to turn it off, hide it. I prefer this clean screen look. You can decide whether you want to feel the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps, and mistouch prevention. You can also learn gestures here. It's up to you. So in order to get back to the previous page just by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and as you can see we've got this this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will get back. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And as you can see we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents we have to do the same gesture. So swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly maybe, and hold your finger on the screen until you will see the recents. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.